make sure you get the enoki mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, trust me, these don't taste like anything. And I got the jelly noodles. I can't remember what they're called, but they're kind of like jelly noodles. And also about to try this shrimp. So yeah. Oh.
Hey, 3, dear guest, your meal is ready. So first, tray with blue off is your meal. Please grab it.
You get better with.
Thank you. Wow, yes. Your hands on board now.
And it's a very reasonable price. You will get like 100 for just both of us. But no, it's 32 for my mom and 18 for me. This is definitely a 5-star. If you're in Greenville, I totally come check this place out. And make sure your server is Alexis. Great person. Make sure.